I think that food has become too accessible, so now nothing can fix me anymore.
I have a question. Are you burnt out?
Are you okay?
Are you fine?
Were you ever a prefect?
Me?
Yeah.
Do I look? I could have been. I think there's a certain amount of narcissism to being like, "Kya tumhe show pasand aaya, Chandigarh?" They're like, "Woo!" It's like, shut up, dude. Stop begging people to give you an applause. I have a friend who's got a fucking neck problem till today. We watched Shanghai Noon. Some air flip that Jackie Chan did, and we were like, "Abhi tere ko karayenge," and he fucking broke his neck. Let's go. Oh man! Yeah, you gotta have a kerchief.
No, you gotta
Yesterday-
have a kerchief here though.
You think I'm Neruchi? What's
No,
going
no,
on?
no, no, no.
I thought make it presentable.
That's a pocket square.
Hi guys, I'm Sanjana.
I'm Zia.
I'm Dhritika.
I am Ronak.
And
we are
Bisharam.
Yay! Hi, Ronak.
Hi Ronak,
Hello.
how are
Hi.
you doing?
What's up?
Thank you for having me, guys.
आज हमारे शो पे रौनक लग गई.
So, how long did you
You heard
rehearse
that, man? You heard that?
No, this is the first
Hence the
time.
laugh.
This is
This
the first
is the
time.
first.
Yes.
No fucking way.
This is the first time I
Really?
never heard this. I have
No one's
no
no
one's
Not
one's
even
that
in
happy
school?
to have you.
Not
No.
even in school or college. Nobody's ever been
said
there.
this. No one's
Clearly
ever said
hanging
that.
out
We
with
went to
boring
a
people.
good school.
Wasted potential.
No, thanks a lot, guys.
You did go to a good. I know what school you went to.
Oh, you know me
Yeah,
from
we
it?
do.
I
know.
stalked you.
Oh, let's
We
go.
stalked you.
Yeah, I went to Dhirubhai Ambani,
Yeah. Absolutely. Absolutely.
Cambridge Board.
We went to a school in a
In
similar
the
area.
vicinity.
Oh yeah, which school did you? I went to St. Mary's. Where did you guys go?
We went to St. Agnes.
She dropped the Dhirubhai Ambani.
Let's go. Are we all Mazgaon boys?
Yeah.
Let's go.
Thanks for doxing
Okay.
us.
Hey, you doxed yourself.
I said we went to this
Same
You,
vicinity.
you said St. Agnes.
It's gonna get cut out.
So why you guys don't talk about your school because?
It's bad.
Just
It's like, why?
It's not St. Mary's ICSC, man.
Oh, Freddie Mercury went to my school. Let's go.
Yeah, that's what everyone
Really?
says. Oh,
Yeah.
Freddie
Freddie
Mercury.
Mercury-
Boman Irani went to our school.
Freddie Mercury, Boman Irani, and Ronak Rajani.
I have had cool people come from.
Yeah, your school is pretty cool.
Yeah, very.
You didn't go to the same school.
No.
No, we
Which
met
school did you go
in
We met in
tuition.
classes.
But yeah.
Okay, what school did you go to? Oh, it's right here.
Yeah.
It's better than
That's
It's
yeah.
a
Who's
lot
the
better.
most
than
famous
that.
Hey,
alumni from your
Fort
school?
Convent has
I
a
don't
school.
know. Juhi Chawla, I think.
Juhi Chawla.
I think. I'm not sure.
We have Usha Uttam.
Usha Uttup?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The singer?
Usha,
Yeah.
Usha Uttup.
Uttup.
Yes.
Is it Uttup?
Yes.
It's Uttup.
Usha
I stand
Uttup.
corrected.
Usha Uttup.
Yeah.
Usha Uttup. Yeah.
And one more
Yo, but
other
Usha
younger...
Uttup's quite a legend.
Absolutely.
She
Yeah.
is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Your school only makes money because they do weddings. Like that's all they do.
Yeah,
Of
now they have a
course.
turf.
You know
Yeah.
they don't even have a yellow house. They have a white house.
Yeah, we have a White House. For Gandhiji.
For
You guys do not.
and Trump.
You guys don't care for Gandhiji?
What do you mean?
Hey, I went to school while Obama was in power. We didn't know much about Trump. Then.
Oh.
You still don't?
I stopped learning anything after school got over.
Ah. Okay.
We started
That's why
learning
edu-
after school.
I can
Education-
tell, Rana.
education is
I
very
can tell.
No, I'm not gonna take this shit from Purdue.
But we have to guess his house.
We do.
Blue.
Hold on. Blue,
No,
yeah.
red. Red.
Blue.
Okay, wait. There was white, blue, red, and green.
Yeah. So
You were
yellow
red.
ki jagah par they had yellow.
You give me red.
I'm
red.
giving either blue
A
or
Gryffindor.
green.
Okay.
I'm gonna blue.
Ravenclaw.
Guys, I'm Slytherin. I'm a greenhouse boy.
What?
I'm not a Slytherin
Oh.
fan, but I'm a greenhouse boy.
Oh, okay.
Let's go.
You give very red. I don't know. Something
gives
about your
blue
face.
to me.
Something
Blue.
about his face gives red.
He was
What you
also
gonna
best
do?
friends with the head boy.
Not one
No.
bit.
No.
Can I tell you? Oh man.
Were you ever a prefect?
Me?
Yeah.
Do I look like I could have been?
I don't. The thing is, I still haven't been able to read him completely.
They didn't even make me class monitor. They never fucking made me anything.
They made me
The
laugh.
green justifies.
Yeah.
it.
Yeah. No, literally.
You know that
though.
there was like there was first of all, the teacher had decided who the class monitor was in 5th standard, and I told her, please keep an election. And she was like, we don't do elections. And I told the whole class that she's going to do an election.
Yeah.
And then so the whole class assumed that tomorrow was the day of the election. And then in her drawer, I told everybody put chits of whoever you support. And then I opened her drawer.
Forced voting.
I opened her drawer before she came, threw away all the votes and had Rodak on 45 different chits that I put in there with my handwriting. And she came to class and she was like, dude, I told you there's no voting. I was like, the class has voted for your monitor. And she opened it and she was like, it's all the same fucking handwriting.
What?
I know it's you, dude.
Are you sure you know nothing about Trump?
I don't know anything about
Okay.
her.
This sounds awfully familiar.
And then what happened?
Nothing. She was
Were you
like,
the class monitor?
she was so I think her approach was wrong. I think her thing was
Okay,
that
of
naughty boy
course.
cannot be monitor boy.
Yeah.
But I think that if she made naughty boy monitor boy, then maybe I would have turned over a new leaf.
Yeah.
And I've been like, okay, now meko apni vardi sambhalni hai.
I
Now I'm a
cannot
khaki
I
boy.
respect my
No, but I
position. yeah.
cannot believe after that story, he had the gall to say her approach was wrong.
Yeah.
Yeah, her approach was wrong.
Of course.
cheated.
As a
After
teacher-
writing it
as a
45
teacher-
times.
No. That's the thing. She could have put me in that position so that I would have changed my ways. But I became a corrupt politician because of her.
Oh, so
Who knows?
it's
Yeah.
her,
it.
not you,
It's her
Rana.
fault.
It's
I
her.
don't-
Yeah,
Absolutely.
It's her fault.
Absolutely.
Fair.
Yeah.
I
Of
love it.
course.
I wanted to witness like boys' school musti, you know, because it didn't happen in girls' school.
No? What kind of musty do
Yeah.
you guys have?
We were just cringe.
Oh, we were cringe too.
I feel like the girls cringe, the girls school cringe, girls school convent cringe, and boys school convent cringe is like very similar. Like both
Yeah.
of them have had their fair share of cringe phases, and like you can't escape that. I don't know. I can't say that about like co-ed schools because I feel like they're in a different league altogether.
I wish I was
can
in a co-ed school.
never relate to a person from a co-ed school. I don't know why.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Like,
What
I
are your
cannot.
thoughts? Like, do you think if you ever plan on having kids, would they go to a co-ed school?
I do see the importance of it,
Yeah.
but I do see the importance of going to if I send my kids to a boys' school, it'll be if I send my boys to a boys' school. It'll
my
only-
girl is going to a boys' school, baby. Mary's in this house.
But my school has become co-ed now because now nobody's sending the kids to. So for business purposes,
Oh,
I
why
think-
don't we know Mazgao gossip, bro?
No, I don't know.
yeah.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Yeah, so if I was to send to a boys' school, I would send to that because that was the experience I had, and I know that I turned out okay because of you don't need to have the perfect system. You don't have to have horse riding and polo riding.
Oh,
and
for
whatever.
sure.
Yeah,
Yeah,
for
yeah.
sure.
All that you don't need.
I don't,
At least in school.
yeah. You don't need that Olympic size pool.
Yeah.
You need some bullies. You need
Yeah.
you need some uncomfortable wobbly chairs.
Yeah.
Yes.
You need a rat in a
You
classroom.
have to be uncomfortable.
Yes.
Chipped paint.
Yeah. Chip paint is not a problem
That
anywhere
one
in the
teacher
world.
that's like physically abusive, but she's not fired for some reason.
Yeah, we did have a few.
Yeah.
We had one that would
Everyone.
whack you across your face.
Would throw dusters and stuff. So,
I
yeah.
I have
still
been
had
slapped once by a teacher.
Yeah. Oh my god.
Yeah, it was bad. And then I
That's
and
when
then,
she got concussed, and that's why she's
no.
this.
And then I abused her. I was like,
What?
fuck this bitch.
you said fuck this
Under
bitch.
my breath.
Okay.
And this one dumb bitch of a classmate of mine heard it. And then she went and told the teacher.
What?
No way.
Yeah.
And did you get hit again? That means
Wow.
That means you stood up. To
That
the power.
means you
That means you scared her off.
established who's the powerful one.
Yeah.
I love
you showed
that.
You showed her who's alpha. That's
Yeah.
good.
Yeah. Do you know how like you had to like go to every classroom and give like sweets to the teacher whenever it was your birthday, and we were all scared of going to this one second standard class because this teacher was.
Sorry, by the way,
known-
I never did that. I hated all that.
Why? Okay.
But did you all have it in your school?
Yeah, we had, but only the Chatu kids did it. I was too cool.
Everyone
Yeah,
did
you
it
didn't
as-
like
I
doing
feel
that?
like I'm
Oh,
sure you
what-
should
why
not
didn't
dress
you-
up also,
Yeah.
right? You didn't dress up
You didn't
on
wear
your
civil
birthday.
clothes on your birthday.
On my birthday? Oh, of course you wear civilian clothes, dude. You wear.
Okay.
Yeah.
No, I thought because
You don't wear your
didn't-
cop uniform.
I just
On
assumed because
that,
you're not
yeah.
giving like distributing sweets. I thought you were too like cool to not even dress up.
No. It was just there's a omerta and like the cool boys are like, yo, the teachers are our punishers. So we don't
Oh.
mess with the cops. We're the bad guys here.
Okay.
Oh.
You don't give sweets to the narc.
Yeah. We don't.
No.
We don't.
Yeah.
Love that.
Sorry, please continue. Your
Yeah,
story.
so we used to never go to this one second standard class because this teacher was known to like yell at the birthday girl.
For what? For being born on that day?
No, for like disturbing my class.
Huh?
Like, why are you
This is,
disturbing my
yeah,
class?
because of this shit, we never used to do it. Because
They
of
used
this
to
shit.
say, all of them used to say that in your school or what?
No, that's what I'm saying. The Chatu kids would be like, sorry, ma'am, and
And still
please
go.
can I come in, please, and then touch their feet and be like, Hamara birthday
Even
hai.
teachers would like the Chatu kids, so they wouldn't
Shut
mind
up.
it.
Yeah. So we would not. We would be
Yeah.
like, it is my birthday, and you're not getting a chocolate because I failed in the last test. That's right.
Oh my god,
Yeah.
bro! I remember we were in the same grade from like 5th to 10th.
Yeah.
And there was this one teacher, my class teacher in the 7th grade, and she was beefing with me for God knows what.
I swear.
You know who it is. Yeah.
Fuck it. Fuck you.
To the point where I went, it was my birthday, and then I got sweets, and I was like, I was clearly dressed up in like civilian clothes, and you could see that it was my birthday. And in the middle of the day, there's like, sing a birthday song for you, and then you
Yeah.
can distribute sweets and stuff. She did not. She had a free period. She did not. Like
Wow.
she did not call me up for people to wish me. I couldn't distribute sweets. In the last period at almost like 2:45, I went to the staff room and I'm like, bitch, it's my birthday. Can I like distribute sweets? I have a special one for you. To think that I got a special
You
one
still
for
give
you.
it to her?
Why didn't you go and approach her that it's your birthday?
What do you mean? Blind or what? She's blind.
She's not doing it. तू जाकर बात कर ले
That's what I
उससे.
ended up doing, na.
Dude, you should
That's
have,
bad.
you
I
should have
know.
worn-
And after that, I did not
you
celebrate.
should have
my
worn
birthday.
colored clothes every day after. She's just, yeah.
What will she do?
Yeah, she's not even looking at you. You're a Dhirubhai kid now.
But I genuinely think she hated me. Like, I
No,
don't
she
even
was beefing with the whole
Yeah,
class.
actually.
Her best friend, our Marathi teacher, of course,
Right.
failed me.
Wait, so this is the Marathi teacher and
No, this is the maths teacher. Maths.
class teacher,
Class
maths.
teacher.
Maths teacher, Marathi teacher, always good friends.
Yeah.
They're always good friends.
Yeah.
And she failed me. I failed once
Right.
in my whole education career.
Can I tell you something?
What?
That was the same test that I scored the highest in the class.
She's not told me that like
Wow.
ever.
I can see why Winnie had a beef with you. I can see.
Oh, I was that student in
Yeah,
class.
yeah.
Like we hated each other. in
Now
school.
I'm not gonna. I called her lame in the last episode, and then she's like, "Zia, why you keep calling me lame?"
And you held back. This
now
episode.
I am really trying,
did. Yeah.
but she was fucking lame.
She
Yeah.
was.
I
She
actually
was.
was. I was that kid.
It was really
I
lame.
can't deny
What's
that.
the difference between lame and cringe?
Oh,
Lame is okay. Lame is more like a
like you have
personality.
no personality. Yeah,
Mhm.
like you're like genuinely stupid. But like
NPC.
cringe people, they will still have the balls to try
trait. Mm.
and still like fail at it, but then they'll come back.
You know,
Right.
put themselves in different situations.
Okay, let me put it like this:
Mhm.
all lame people are cringe, but all cringe people are not lame.
Wow.
Also,
That's
cringe
deep.
people
That-
try,
wow.
which I can commend, and
Yeah.
that's why we should not look down upon like cringe people. Like you shouldn't kill the part of you that's cringe. You should kill the part that cringes.
We've all seen
right?
Well
that
said,
on
Oprah.
Reels.
No, that's not
We've
me.
all
That's
seen
really
that on
not
Reels.
me. That's on Reels.
Yeah.
That's Oprah.
Yes.
Were you silenced?
I was silenced.
But you
Wonderful.
have been doing comedy for like a long time now.
Yes.
In your initial phases, did you like have moments where you felt like did people around you make you feel like you were cringe?
But he is not cringe.
No, I'll tell you what.
to get it from his
you
mouth.
have to, you have, as you said, you have to go through cringe.
yeah, of course.
Yeah.
But the best way is to be delusional about your cringe.
Yes.
And I think I started very, very young.
Mhm.
And I would try my jokes. I started at 15 or 16 or whatever.
What?
Yeah, school got over. As soon as school got over, I started doing stand-up.
Oh.
I'm 31 now.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
Okay.
So I've been doing it for like 16 years.
Yeah.
Okay. And as soon as school got over, I would just keep going to all the open mics. And I obviously, as a kid, you have nothing to lose
Yeah.
because you're just
you
doing.
didn't build
yeah.
anything.
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't have a job to worry
Yeah.
about. I don't have money for paddle, so I'm doing this instead.
No, yeah. No. If you don't have money, you shouldn't be doing paddle. Like,
Okay.
stop.
So whatever. So I was delusional enough that I'm funny because I hung out with other 15, 16-year-olds who told me, dude, this is a great joke. You should try it. So when I went, I was like, I know I'm doing a good joke.
Yeah.
So that delusion is what helps. Of course, now as a 31-year-old, I can see why the older comedians were not jealous of me. They really thought I was disgusting. Okay.
Ah, fair,
Right?
Yeah, because they've been
Right.
through that.
Yeah. No, but they were just like, why? This is not funny. Why is this kid fucking saying this shit? You know what I'm saying?
And they couldn't wrap their head around how he has the fucking confidence to go up and
Yes.
do it.
Yeah.
At this age.
Yes. But also that essentially is the reps, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
जैसे वो बोलते ना कि in film school they tell you just start making films because the first 100 films inside you are all bullshit. The 101st one is good. So that
Yeah.
practice. So in the delusion मैंने practice कर दिया, and then when I got out of delusion I was like, oh, I was pretty shit, but this is why, and then I got better.
When do you think that
Wow.
was? That illusion broke for you?
20, like 5 odd years I was just eating shit.
But that's such
Wow.
a like all your embarrassing shit was like when you were an embarrassing age anyway.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think things
No,
really
no.
worked out.
Stand up is still pretty embarrassing. I mean, all art is embarrassing, right? All
if done poorly.
no, art
Good
comes. All art comes from a place of vulnerability. Good art
True.
comes from
Fair.
this is what I want to talk about because this is what I experience. And outside of this bravado that I have, inside I have this little
Fair, yeah.
sentimental opinion that I will put out.
Slip in.
Right.
Yeah.
Not only slip it, I want to make the whole thing around it. Like for example, in my last special that I put on YouTube, there's a whole story about how I went to therapy because I don't get along with my parents. And then my parents found out that I'm complaining to a therapist about them.
shit.
And then we had more fights.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Oh shit.
Okay. And this
You
is,
didn't think they would find out through the special?
that's okay. This is all when I was like maybe
Okay.
24.
All right.
That's
Ah,
nice.
okay,
Yeah,
okay, yeah.
Yeah. So when you talk about that, that's so personal and that's so embarrassing. So it does come from a place of I'm cringing while talking about
Yeah.
this.
Yeah.
I see it.
I'm at a bar. I'm probably at a comedy club where people have come from a whole day of work. They just want to hear jokes, and I'm just like, तो मेरी मम्मी मेरे को पका रही थी,
Yeah,
or
I know.
you know what I'm saying? There is some cringe to it.
Yeah. Fair, fair.
But eventually I did it enough to figure out, oh, this is how to make it funny. This is how to make it something that everyone in the audience can be like, oh, that happened to me.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
I can also find it funny.
Relatable.
So I mean, I think all good art needs to go through that cringe.
R&D.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's cringe is a part of making good
Learning,
shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's a part of creating anything.
Yeah.
Really.
Mm-hmm.
Wow.
But
You do
it's
not
an
sound like
opinions.
a complete dick.
At many places I do, which is why I have to keep giving bodies.
When people say you sound like a dick.
Yeah, probably. It's just the boys' school way of life. You have it's how we talk. I met a friend. So we're talking about my school Mary, right?
Yeah.
I met a friend and he went to Fancy Cathedral.
Oh, okay.
course.
Right?
Yeah,
no,
yeah.
Campion, fuck Campion.
Exactly. That's why I said that. I knew you would say fuck Campion.
Okay, so Fancy Cathedral. And I can't relate to these co-ed kids.
Yeah.
Right?
Exactly.
And he's like a year younger than me, but academically 2 years younger.
Okay.
And I met him now as an adult. I'm just trying to like find out in which grade did he fail? You know what I'm saying?
You're trying to match it up.
Yeah. So I'm just like, oh, so what is first standard like? At third standard? and so then he says, no, dude, I got into St. Mary's in the first standard.
Okay.
And my mother, she came to school, wanted to pick me up. And she saw all these seniors, who were just abusing each other, showing middle fingers. And she was like, let my kid stay at home for 1 year. I'm putting him in a school with girls. Okay. So which is why he's 2 years academically younger. And my wife was sitting next to me and she was like, that's literally what my husband is. All he does is abuse and show middle fingers.
He's actually 80 though.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah.
I think everyone that's in a boys' school should experience 1 year in a girls' school. And
Right.
everyone who's in a girls' school should
Yeah,
experience
should
1 year in a boys'
swap.
school.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just switch
Just
things
to
up.
see what the hell is happening.
What is girls' school like?
Girls' school
Girls' school
is
is
very catty, very bitchy.
yeah, very strict and rules and this and that, and like
You
everyone's
get-
bitchy, but you have to be sweet because
you
you have
get
to spend your life, almost a huge part of your life
Yeah.
together,
Yeah.
and you're like growing together, and then like there's competitions, and I don't know, it's a very exhausting vibe when you think about it right now.
Okay.
Did you guys frame your reference on how to be girls by watching films and were like, oh, if these people
Yes.
are mean girls, so I will also be mean girls? Was that something you
Not
guys did?
all,
Not
but yeah, some
always.
people did take that personality up in school, right?
Like what kind of stuff? Like for example, for us, we just watched like fight movies. We were like,
Fight Club.
Yeah.
dude,
I
not
have
fight.
I
Sorry.
have a theory.
Sorry, not Fight Club. I have a friend who's got a fucking neck problem till today because we watched Shanghai Noon and there's something that there's some trick
Some
that
tadi midi.
some air flip that
Yeah.
Jackie Chan did and we were like abhi tere ko karayenge and he fucking broke his neck. Okay, so that's what I'm asking. So like we watched that, we were like, oh, we gotta do testosterone things because clearly we don't look like we have enough testosterone. So how do we prove?
yeah.
That's what I'm saying. Like, what kind of stuff did you guys try to?
Okay, so I want you to imagine that there is this lady who is like 60 something. Okay, she's really old, and all she does is like live in a school. Live
Like a
in
nun.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
Like a nun, and then she's gonna see you, and then she's gonna be like, "You're a slut for like waxing your arms," and then that's your version of
Or, like,
femininity. in
getting
your
your
eye- or, like
eyebrows
getting
done.
your eyebrows done.
You're basically going to get humbled by nuns.
by nuns, and also like
Right.
another woman. Like, why are we
Yeah,
not
yeah.
in this together?
Why are we not leaving this shit behind and growing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Got it. So
And
you,
then-
you think
yeah.
that you think that because they are from someone who's running the school is from a more conservative ideology.
Yeah.
So when you try to do things which are more leaning towards one school is over, I'm gonna live my life, and
Yeah.
they've been in school for so long that
Exactly.
they see you as wrong or try to.
And it's also
Yeah.
like those are your formative years, right? Like that's your age to like experiment and like see what you like, what you don't like.
Right.
And that's the age where like, they're putting you down. So that's when you get like really humble.
Yeah, also like you have to think about like your class teacher and this principal of yours, okay? Your class teacher's boss is the principal. So she's gonna want to say, she's gonna be a mouthpiece for the principal.
Right.
So you're just bombarded with this stuff. Like you
Yeah.
must not talk to boys. You must not hang around the campus after
Yeah.
you're done.
Yeah.
You have to
Yeah.
go straight home,
Hum,
or we're
yeah.
gonna tell your parents. No
Yeah.
bunking, nothing. Like bunking, I don't know how like
Of a
easy it
taboo
was
it
in
was.
your school.
No,
but
no, bunking's always bad
Especially in school.
In
office,
school for sure.
wherever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But there was only one event that happened in our school. Only once somebody has bunked, and it was a scandal
Oh, yeah.
in
Yeah.
our school. It was a big scandal.
Yeah.
There's always this one problematic kid in every standard who's like done all the batshit stuff, and then that's used as an example for years.
And then you
Yeah.
live vicariously through it. Like, yes, you did
Yeah.
it for the entire batch.
You remember what
I
had
know,
happened?
I
Okay,
know.
so let me tell you. Okay, so there were these two girls, and they were best friends. Okay, let's call them
Sita Gita.
Sita and Geeta. Yes. Okay. Sita had a boyfriend called
Ramesh.
Ramesh. Sita had a boyfriend called Ramesh.
Is,
alright?
is Ramesh a guy you know?
No, it just sounds like.
Ramesh sounds like he's not as interesting. You'll be surprised.
No, you will be. Actually, you will be because they both know the story. Okay. So Ramesh and Sita are now on a break because Ramesh is like, I need to I need my space.
ठीक है.
All right.
No
Now-
focus on studies.
No, I don't know. Okay, I don't really
fair,
know
fair,
these
fair.
people. Okay, now Geeta and Sita are like have a falling out, and nobody knows why. Now they're eating lunch alone. They're not eating with each other. Wow,
That's huge.
the plot
Like,
thickens, right?
Right.
plot really
Okay.
thickens.
Then one day, nobody suspects that Geeta is absent. Geeta is just not there.
Missing.
Okay,
Wait, this is Ramesh is Sita's boyfriend.
Ramesh is Sita's boyfriend.
Yeah,
yes.
Solid. Let's go.
And
I love where this is
Geeta
going.
and Shweta are not. Shweta is somebody else.
Third person.
Aishwarya's enemy.
Yes,
Yes.
Aishwarya's enemy is
Yeah.
not in school, and nobody really knows why. Nobody like bats an eye. They're like, okay, this person's absent. Who gives a shit, right? Then this girl from our school and one more, our fourth,
Huh.
find out where they've gone. Srushti is our fourth.
The fourth friend,
Right.
she
She
finds
out along with another friend.
Shweta, Shrishti, and Geeta
Yeah,
have gone.
Srishti is an actual person. Srishti is an actual
Srishti is
person.
our
is our
fourth.
fourth.
She's a fourth.
Besharam.
Oh,
Four
got it,
of
got it.
us.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes,
We're
yes.
four of us. She's at home right now.
Huh.
But yeah, Srushti finds out that this has happened, and she was in the school van, but she is now like not in school. So they're like, what the hell? So she goes and tells the teacher that, wait, I shouldn't say that, but whatever. Shweta goes and tells the teacher that, you know, these people were there like near the gate. I saw them. I don't know where they are. Then, like, their parents come near the gate, and like we see these two, Geeta and Shweta are like crying near the gate. Turns out that Geeta was actually secretly seeing Ramesh.
Right.
And they were out on like a day out. They
During
came to
school
the
hours.
they came like by
And
school van.
what was Shweta doing?
Shweta? Shweta's just a friend. She was just tagging along.
She was just helping her like to not get caught or like
What the hell?
just
Yeah.
tagging along.
So Geeta not only betrayed like her friend,
Her friend.
but also bunked school. So which one's worse?
Dating your best friend's ex or bunking school?
I think bunking school.
But yeah, this is the only scandal that happened.
Yeah.
Nobody bunked before or after that.
Wow.
We used to bunk in the vicinity only.
Huh.
Like we'll go to the canteen. That's our bunking.
पकड़े भी गए तो excuse है.
one samosa will get come eat it on the basketball court and go back.
But yeah, bunk in school premises. We used to
Yeah.
do that. We used to go. So the game we used to play
Okay.
to get the stakes going. First, we did this whole sit in the basketball court.
Yeah.
Then it was like, oh, we can't play because they'll see us.
They'll see us. Yeah. They'll hear the ball and stuff.
Yeah, and then it was like, okay, what else can we do? Sit in the canteen. Canteen guy will complain, whatever. Then we were like, we gotta make it interesting. So then we started playing a game where we would go into the staff room
Oh.
and say that my teacher has sent me in to get chalk. Okay. And then we used to go out with like fistful of chalk.
For what joy?
Just to get the fucking stakes up. So it's like I go in first.
Okay.
I get a fistful of chalk. And then I
Yes.
count. I'm like, मेरे पास 20 है. And then he's like, बेंच में 21 लेकर आऊंगा. And then the other teachers are like, what the fuck is Sunita ma'am doing? Why does she want so much chalk?
So all this time, Sunita ma'am is snacking on chalk.
Yeah.
She's eating the
Did you
chalk.
have weird kids in school who used to eat chalk?
Calcium deficit kids?
Bro,
Yes.
like
Yes.
I remember. Young bro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And
We had a
those
kid-
kids that would flip the island.
That's too much. That's too much. You did that? Can you do it right now?
No. No.
I won't watch the episode.
I'll do it later.
Come on, you gotta do it now.
Okay.
I don't
Let's go.
want
I can't watch it.
Oh man!
This is disgusting.
Oh,
I can't watch that at
I
all.
Bro, I used to do it with both my eyes and like scared the kids. I used to
You've
do
done
when I
that
was
to
a
me,
kid.
yes.
Yeah, sure.
I had in
do
my
it.
in second standard, my partner who I was assigned to was like little bit nuts, okay?
Little.
And one day she showed me her palm and all
Oh,
you know
God,
what
no,
she had
no,
done?
no.
We had needlework as a
No,
subject in
no.
our school. It was girls' school, right? Embroidery
Yes.
they used to teach us. She would take the needle and just remove the skin. Like the
cool.
Oh, I've also done that.
Yeah, I've done that too.
No, but the whole hand was filled and she's like, see.
Oh no, that's disgusting. I've also done it
so
like
it's just the
yours.
skin or it has nails inside?
No,
There's-
she's like remove the skin.
Got it.
Like, there's no blood.
But the
Yeah,
needle
that's
is like
gross.
stuck inside, bro.
So
Yeah, I've done
full
that.
of needles?
No. Just
Just
one
one,
needle
Just
she
one,
had, no?
And then she's made all the tunnels. Yeah. That's,
Yeah.
That's
gross.
cool to
You get it.
I mean, that's not cool, but it's like everyone.
It's like
wants
everyone
To,
has done that shit.
yeah, everyone wants to change their lakir at some point, but they can't. Yeah.
You know, we were together for like one whole semester and we didn't realize why we were fighting so much. She was left-handed. We could have just switched places.
Mm-hmm.
But we just were
But you
fighting.
couldn't because
I did not
Miss,
know.
Miss gave you that seat and you can't betray Miss.
Yeah, this is this convent school thing of like in the start of the year, they'll tell you this is your partner. And
Yeah.
for the whole year, that's your partner.
Yeah.
That's tough, dude. That's
But
like-
that honestly, like it changed. Like if I wasn't paired up with certain people, my life would have been very different.
True.
Okay.
True.
She was.
Yeah.
We were partners, or used to sit behind me or ahead of me. I don't remember.
We were close by. We were
We were. Yeah, we were
Yeah.
in 10th. I think we were partners.
10th. I sat
Yeah.
because
Yeah.
10th we were partners. But
But-
then before that, we
Yeah.
we only became friends because we were like sitting close to each
We were
other.
sitting close.
Did you
together.
guys do destructive shit like pen fights and shit?
Yeah.
Yeah, of course.
I was also lame.
Pulling the bra thingy.
Huh.
Yeah, we
that
used to
was
do that
there,
to
yeah.
each other.
You-
Pulling the bra thingy.
No, they did it to Shweta ma'am. Sunita ma'am. Whoever. Sunita ma'am. No, you used to unhook
Every
the-
time she was choking on the chalk, we were like, giving her a Heimlich.
unhook the bra, like do the thing. What else?
Rubber band खींच के भाग जाना.
Do you know what it means when you say your Sundays are longer than your Mondays?
No, what does that mean?
Like you could be like girly, your Sundays are longer than your Mondays.
What does that mean?
It means your shorts.
bloomers or like your shorts
That
are
you'd
like
wear under
longer
your
than
skirt.
than your frock. So your shorts could be seen below your frock.
Yeah.
got it.
Yeah.
You all used to be called Sunny.
Like we
in
had
school.
girly,
We
right?
had girly. You all had Sunny,
No,
didn't you?
we didn't. I think some people said Sunny to the younger kids. I think they
So
said
weird.
Yeah, that's a weird thing. I
Like,
never said that.
Who's Sunny, bro? Like which person is Sunny?
Yeah,
I
it's
don't know.
like-
What did you like refer to somebody who you're like you didn't
You
Well,
didn't know the
we
name.
spoke to we call the kids kid. You're like
Kid.
come
Kid.
here. Yeah, it's like
और अगर कोई बड़ा हो तो bhai.
no.
Yuck.
We
Bhai?
you don't talk to an older person.
You do not talk to senior.
Yeah, the senior talks to you
Yeah.
and then you
If
say
they
yes or no.
Yeah.
Oh my
okay.
God.
Wow.
Yeah, I was never excited to like be a senior or anything. You know what I was excited about? I was always excited about short break because we used to have a Guru Kripa A1 samosa
Oh wow,
in
let's
our
go.
canteen.
Yeah.
Wow, that's good.
I know,
Yeah.
right? I know.
We had a really cool we had a really cool caterer, Cool Cats,
Okay.
KOOKATS.
Oh,
Cool
that's
Cats.
cool.
That's really
They
cool.
That
made
is
a-
cool.
They made a banging vada pav, banging Chinese beer,
Oh, yes.
pizza.
Wow.
Yeah,
So
mhm.
I went back to school this year. They called me to be. You guys know Immaculata was the
Yeah,
school
yeah,
fest.
yeah,
Of course we
Of
do.
course.
They called me to be. They called me to be chief guest.
Oh.
Let's go.
Wow.
Of course.
Wow.
Yeah. So my only thing to them was that you have to get me Chinese bale from school.
Hmm.
And these kids, they said yeah. And then as soon as I reached it, they said Cool Cats is no longer with us. You changed it because school is becoming more and more.
Yeah, yeah.
Like upgrading.
Yeah, and I was like, that was
That's
the
a
upgrade.
downgrade.
Yeah, that was the upgrade.
Wow.
Yeah.
They just devolved.
No, now everything's too political now. So there's a
Yeah.
bunch of kids whose parents are like, the canteen's got to be vegetarian, and then there's a bunch of people who are like, hey, but this has always been like this, and you
Yeah.
have different vegetarian food and different.
Precisely. That's
In
exactly
seventh
why
standard,
our
yeah.
canteen also shut because it was quote unquote unclean or like dirty. And those people were so good. They used to clean the canteen every single
Yeah.
day. It was spick and span. The food was banging. We had like iced tea, iced coffee.
Yeah.
For
Yeah.
what?
Oh,
I don't know.
Wow.
Yeah. I don't know if my canteen was spick and span. We were never allowed to go inside for obvious reasons. But it's all part of the experience. It's okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
right?
right?
Eat dirt.
I'm vegetarian. I'm
Okay.
vegetarian. So I was.
I
like,
want
yeah,
to talk
yeah,
about that
yes.
actually.
Yes, please.
So
tell
I
me.
saw a video of yours and I have a bone to pick, okay?
Yeah.
Oh, what video did you see?
I saw a video of yours, okay? And you were at Samrat and you were having spaghetti.
Let's go.
So 2 weeks later,
Mhm.
I went to Samrat with
on
my
my
family.
on my recommendation.
Yes, just simply because Ronak Rajani likes the spaghetti at Samrat. I coerced my family. They wanted to go to Anna Idli. I said no. We're
Right.
going to Samrat. I really want to try this
Right.
because it's so nostalgic for you. You loved it, right?
Yeah.
And I went there, I genuinely 2 bites in. It's the most disgusting thing I've ever had. Like it's so fucking bad, Ronak.
I'm not-
How do
Explain.
you?
I'm
eat
not- I'm
that?
not
We
taking
didn't
this
even.
shit.
One second, we didn't even want to pack it.
I'm not
Oh.
taking this shit.
What do you mean?
Oh, so you stand by it?
defend
Still.
yourself.
Yeah, it's bad.
Listen,
I don't
it
think I
doesn't
tried
have
myself.
salt.
Ah!
They must have made
Okay,
it bad that day.
probably that's
Maybe
what I'm
could have-
also
yeah.
assuming.
You know, if you eat it in Italy, they don't make it. They don't make it according to your taste buds. Okay.
I've never been
But
to
see,
Italy.
this is India and they are catering to the Indian palate.
And it's Samrat. It's a very, very, very family restaurant.
It's a family restaurant.
Yeah.
But it's a Gujarati restaurant, and Gujaratis.
Gujaratis do
They
not have a
put salt
family
in their food.
famously.
Gujaratis hail from New Jersey, where Italians hail from.
Absolutely.
That's where they were originally.
That's Dhirubhai Ambani
But I
education.
must ask you. I have to ask you. What is appealing about that? Because even the balls.
Okay. I must say, the salt thing is unusual.
Okay.
A salt thing is unusual.
All right.
Did you tell them that you saw a video and that's on the recommendation you came for?
No, I did not.
Maybe
tell
if you
them.
say
They
my
wouldn't
name.
made it.
Ah, fair.
Maybe if I said Ronak Rajani,
Yes.
they would apply the code.
Yes, maybe.
Yes.
That's the
They would have
good
given you
for good
extra
food.
salt.
Yeah.
If I have to say your name to get like decent food, then the restaurant's bad. No.
It's rigged, no?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Guys, I'm
bro.
not here. Sorry, I can't hear through these headphones.
Oh.
Sure. Convenience. How
Bro,
convenient.
how
Sound
can
Such
proof.
kadwai lagta hai, Ronak.
It's soundproof.
everything from 210 Bakery, like anything from 210 Bakery is way better than anything that
210 Bakery. You guys like 210 Bakery?
We love
went to
Total
KC.
Bakery. We went to KC.
You guys went to KC? I did KC BMM.
Mm-hmm.
First I did Jai Hind, then I did KCBMM, I did KC Law after that.
Hmm.
But 210's only progressively gotten worse. It used to be amazing when it started.
It's
Whoa.
good still.
It's good. We like it.
It's nice.
Yeah, that's what. But if you tasted what it used to be like, you'd be disappointed.
All right.
Yeah,
Fair.
Did the J exist when you were there?
dude, the J started when I was in KCBMM.
Oh, it's okay.
So it's that old?
Yeah, he's like as old as Afshu then, because Afshu took me. Like my cousin was also in KC. She was like, "I'm gonna make you have pizza fries," and I was like,
Insane.
"Who thought of that?"
How
I
old
remember
is
it started
How
when
old
we
is
were in 10th.
34.
Yeah, don't fucking give me that shit. I'm 31.
You're old.
You're 21. Are you sure?
31.
You're 31.
You were 21?
21?
21 also was too old. I would have gone for 19.
That's true.
Let's settle at 15.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We are
Tera na mera.
I'm still in my cringe phase of stand up.
and we are Kartik Aryan.
But yeah, wait, sorry. You were saying?
No,
the J.
you compared me to
The J.
Afshu. Okay.
Wait, I'm just saying represented on picture.
Representation.
Sweet.
Okay.
But yeah,
Afshu
fries.
with her anti-wrinkle cream. Okay.
I'm gonna have to send her this clip. She's gonna love it. She's never gonna work with you, Ronak.
Oh, thanks a lot. I don't work with boomers.
Okay, but yeah, I think even when like it initially came to Mazgaon side,
There was a J in
there was a
Mazgaon
J in
for a while.
Mazgaon also for a while, and then it shut.
So how it started was the building belongs to the guy, and he was a friend of a friend, and he was considerably older than me at that point, and he had a cool story. He came back from Amsterdam and he tried poutine fries, and he was like, "Oh, I gotta get this here."
Loaded fries, exactly.
Yeah, and his name is Jet.
Okay.
Oh, this is like
Oh.
the Tibbs story.
What is the tip story?
Like, doesn't Tibbs also have a similar story where like
Yeah,
Tib-
this is like McDonald's story. All like everything is like
Like
that.
how it started,
Inspired by
basically,
something
yeah.
else.
Yeah.
Correct.
हाँ तो उसने वापस चालू किया.
But they made waves, huh? Like the J was.
Oh
a
yeah, for
thing.
It was
sure.
insane.
Especially for like school kids. Like I remember that used to be like a hangout spot for a lot of
Yeah.
kids our age. Like especially after 10th standard, we were like, oh my god,
Classes
freedom.
के बाद जाएंगे.
After classes, this is our hangout, and that's how we used to go to hang out.
Yeah. They
No,
used to be a lot
I
of-
still go to the J. I still love eating.
sometimes
there.
like we
So
go
do
to
we.
it.
So
Like,
do we. It's
it's
really
nice.
nice.
What's your order?
What's my order? Szechuan and cheese, chili cheese fries. basically.
I'm never getting
Chili
that.
cheese fries.
You set me up.
But that's your order too at times.
Chili cheese fries.
It is my real order.
The best one.
Yeah.
You know, when they started, they used to make a. They used to have. They were experimenting a bunch of shit. So they used to have a peanut butter milkshake.
You can't go wrong with that.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that
but
sounds
they don't make
awesome.
it anymore. They don't.
Oh.
And when they also started, they used to have sweet potato fries.
Bro,
Oh.
you know standby coffee sweet potato fries was so
Oh, yeah,
good.
you
That was the
did
first.
say
Like
that.
I had it at work the other day. I don't know why I'm
Where
mentioning
is
it,
standby coffee?
but you get it in multiple.
You just stand by and they come.
Let's go. Please stand
think-
by for the chips.
I think we need a moment for like food that's shitty to everyone else but us, but it fixes your shitty
Yeah,
day.
Oh,
for
yeah.
real,
Right.
for real.
And
Absolutely.
shitty food that will fix your shitty day.
Do you have more recommendations apart from that?
Like
Raj?
Raju roll.
Raju
What the hell is
Raju,
that?
Raju Chinese?
Raju roll.
Raju roll, not Chinese.
No, but like Raju roll is great.
Where is
opposite,
Raju?
opposite KC, Baba.
Opposite pasta roll.
Guys,
Golden
that's
have
Raju
it?
Chinese. That's Raju Chinese who also makes rolls now, it
They
seems.
stopped making Chinese altogether. Now
Really?
it's just
They
rolls.
don't have
Yeah.
Chinese.
Really? We used to call him Raju Chinese. Unless, yeah. I don't,
Are you
unless he changed his passport or something.
Once again,
And he's no longer
are
Chinese.
you talking about the pasta and the noodle roll, right?
Yeah.
That's
so
on
he
the
used to,
footpath opposite.
he used to make, he used to be called Raju Chinese. He used to make a lot of Chinese food.
Bro, he's old.
What?
He's old.
Yeah, he's old.
I'm older than you guys.
You're old.
You're
Okay.
old.
Let me
let's
just
just say
tell you,
that.
Ronak, Afshu does not remember that. And we talk every day.
No, you gotta ask Afshu. If Afshu went to HR, KC, wherever,
KC.
she'll know about Raju Chinese. Everybody knows
Okay.
about Raju Chinese.
Well, she
we
told
need
me
this on
about
record.
noodle roll. So
Yeah,
then
noodle roll was a thing there.
But that's
I-
what? That's carbs on carbs.
Yeah, I
But that's like any Frankie now. You get noodles in like a roll. In like
Okay,
a Frankie.
Frankie is a patla paratha, but like this is
Acha, like
bread.
the bread roll.
The-
Oh, okay.
This
The
is
panini wala bread. The mota wala.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, I don't know if I could comprehend at that age that it's carb and carb. I just thought it looked
that's
like
like
too
food.
much. It looked
Tasty
like too
food.
much. No, I
Yeah.
couldn't eat it. It felt like too much oil and too much color. I felt like maybe this is not.
Oh.
You didn't eat it.
Wow.
Yeah, I didn't love it. I didn't love it.
But
But
you
Jai Hind Canteen used to have good. So in junior college, I was in Jai Hind, and my wife continued to study in Jai Hind. When we were so we started dating in degree college. So when I would go see her, we used to eat 35 rupee manchow soup, which is like this big. You feed a whole village.
Holy
Oh, the
Wow.
best, the best manchow soup.
35 rupees.
Yeah.
Mancha.
You don't even get fried noodles in that.
You don't
don't
get
get time pass on
No, what the hell?
Yeah.
But you know, Jai Hind Canteen got like a facelift, and now it's
Yes.
now it's just like another cafe. Like, why are you selling me edamame dumplings
Really?
at college? Actually,
What?
edamame dumplings. I saw NMIMS Canteen Review do it.
Oh yeah.
NMIMS Canteen Review.
One
These
minute.
three
This is
guys.
too
There are
fancy.
canteen reviews now.
Yeah, these three guys.
Yeah.
They have a jingle.
NMIMS
Canteen review.
Yeah, so
It was all over.
Are they
for a
like
while.
Rocky and Mayur kids?
Who is that?
Rocky and Mayur from Food Network, right? Like,
Let's go.
yeah.
Thanks for being old enough.
No, I used to love that stuff.
Afshu culture, you bro.
I know what you're talking about. They were like
Got it.
food bloggers before food bloggers.
Yes,
were a thing.
yes.
They were on
Oh.
cable, bro. TLC and all they used to
Oh,
come
I
on.
love
Fox
TLC.
Life.
I don't know where they came, but they used to just travel
Okay.
and eat food. And and the joke I was making was because those guys were on TV,
Uh-huh.
NMIMS kids are their children. But
That's my
it's
favorite.
pointless.
They
It's
walked so
fun.
that
But
they could
that's
run.
my favorite thing, you know. Every joke gets funnier when you have to explain it.
It doesn't. It
I
really
love
doesn't. That
that.
ruins the joke.
Oh, so you didn't catch my.
Oh, wow. Saint Agnes.
Wow. Okay, but yeah.
Yeah,
that's-
but he was saying you
Yeah.
were saying something about you having mancha soup with your.
Oh, no, nothing. I was telling you that it's that cheap food, banging food, clean food.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Jain
yeah-
Canteen used to have a guy, I don't know if he's there. He was pretty old. God bless his soul. I hope he's still alive and kicking. So his name was John. What we always knew, but his name was actually something else. His name was like Rajesh or something, but everybody
Okay.
called him John because when John Abraham came back to visit,
Yeah.
he said कि ये मेरा दोस्त था, ये मुझे रोज खाना खिलाता था.
Oh.
Okay, so
Oh.
after that, his name became John, and that was his whole personality. He was like, "तेको मालूम है ना, John Abraham मेरा दोस्त
Oh
है."
my god.
Yeah. He was the dude. I used to love him.
bro.
I love that.
Yeah.
I love that.
Like
Great.
Jain Canteen now has lost all of its character. Not everything needs a facelift.
Yeah. That's
Even
too
now
much.
Let
you're
some things
saying
be dingy and dirty.
Cool
Yeah.
Cats is no longer in Mary's.
Yeah.
Jai Hind Canteen is, and KC Canteen they've broken, by the way.
Oh, they've broken it?
They've
yeah.
broken
Thank
it.
God, it finally had to go.
It was bad.
It was-
No.
Okay, chili potato was good. Chili potato was good.
I didn't eat much of it.
You didn't. What
didn't
were
care
you
for it.
doing?
Well, yeah, like
I
What
didn't
were
care
you
for it.
doing in KC? It had a huge canteen.
Yeah, I didn't care. I would finish class and go to my girlfriend in Jai Hind. That's all I would do.
he was a lover boy.
Yeah.
That's really
I let that
sweet.
go.
I will let that pass. That's
Yeah.
given.
Yeah, so I didn't care
Yeah.
for the food.
But do you have any other like food that like fixes your shitty day?
Guilty food.
That no one
food
else would
choices.
buy.
That are actually shitty, but it just fixes you.
Can I tell you something? I think that food has become too accessible, so now nothing can fix me anymore. Like food wise.
Not even nostalgically.
It's too
I have a
it's-
question. Like, are you burnt out?
Are you okay?
Are you fine? I feel like you've lost your the joy, the simple pleasures of life. You have lost that.
I just feel
Pranat.
like if I can just Zepto it or just get it Swiggy to my house in 10 minutes.
It's no longer that like excitement to eat.
Like
it.
I'm gonna go to this place
Yeah.
and then eat it.
Yeah.
I see that. I see that.
Yeah, like one of the things I used to love was going to Gaylord after college and
Okay.
eating their lemon tart.
Oh,
Have you eaten the lemon tart there?
yum.
It used to be like
Sounds good.
It used to be like 40 rupees back when I was in
Wow.
college. Now it's like 120. So thrice.
course. Yeah, like 10
thrice
years back.
price.
Three
Yeah,
times the price.
Of course.
yeah. Ooh.
But that friction is gone now from food. Okay, you are not going out of your house or doing anything because
It's no
so
longer
fucking
an activity.
convenient. Yeah.
Earlier, it used to be a family
Yeah.
activity or like with your friends or something. But now you're just like it's so like casual. Where you just order home.
just
No,
the
no, not
idea
true.
that you make a plan like
Yeah.
like I would make a plan with my wife saying we're gonna go after this
Yeah.
to have that and then we go, we drive there, we wait there,
Yeah.
then it's worth it.
Yeah.
Now that I know that I can get it in 10 minutes or in 30 minutes, I don't think I care for it as much. That's the problem.
Yeah. I think even with my family, we do go out also, but like now we also order in a lot more as compared to like earlier
Yeah.
when we were like I was a kid. But I have spoken about this before. But Mama Mia is like
Oh, Mama Mia pizza?
Okay, so
But
you
it
get
sucks. But it sucks now.
Exactly. It does. Okay, so that has been like a spot that my family and I have been going to since I was like 6 years old, maybe.
Correct.
Okay. And that was the first place that I was introduced to pizzas at. Okay.
Right.
My parents were like, oh, we go pizza night. And I was like,
Yeah.
oh my God, pizza.
Yeah.
And then my brother, who's like 6 years older, we were sitting together and my parents were sitting there and we're all ordering pizzas. And I was so excited about it to the point when it actually came, the only thing I ate were fries. And it was so mid. But I
Yeah.
was so excited because this is the first time
Yeah.
I'm eating like true junk.
When you- when
and
you-
like a pizza. So I was like, I am like satisfied with my fries.
When you
so
don't-
full.
When you don't know what a pizza tastes like, Mama Mia is the best pizza you had.
Yes.
Which is why Samrat pasta is awesome for me. Because when I had it, this was like, yo, look at me.
So you've never had pasta before?
But one
This is,
second,
I'm
but
in
even
Napoli. But I was 6 when I went to Samrat.
No, but then how?
even
is
this
it
justification,
justifying it?
not yours. It's not
Yeah.
original.
What is the justification?
Your justification for why you like that pasta is not even original. It's not even original thought.
How is that not original thought?
Because it was what she said.
I said, yeah, just like your thought. I didn't steal her thought. What?
He's older. He can take it.
What is?
I did not catch that either.
Yeah, I can see why you topped and she didn't.
Whose team am
Kiski
I on?
side
Whose
pe
team?
bhai?
Sorry, I'm on her team.
Are we
You're wrong.
playing? Are we playing Deewane Mastani? Are we fighting each other? What the fuck is going on?
Listen, she's a real one, okay?
We are fucking with you. You're not catching our riff now.
No, I'm definitely not. You guys don't know how to riff.
Man, then you should tell me how should I riff? Like what are the ground rules of riffing?
Wait. Are you upset about something I said? Let's clear the air here. Let's clear the air.
She hung up
What did I?
on
let's-
Samrat
okay,
pasta.
all right,
She is hung up
all
on
right.
I am upset that I had to spend 600 rupees of my father's money
Right.
on Samrat pasta, and that is the gussa I'm taking out on you on this
Right.
episode. Yes,
Right.
that's what
Got
it is.
Is this a setup? Is that why I was invited for this
This
thing?
is therapy.
Okay, this is your therapy. 600 is very little for therapy. Okay, you got a good bargain out of this. Yes.
Yeah.
But yeah, I will. My family and I, we go to Mamma Mia like once or twice a year, and we know what we're walking into.
Yeah,
Like we
yeah.
know the bread is gonna be a little hard. It's gonna be like not the
No, a
best.
similar thing has happened to me also. So there's this, I don't know if you know about this place. It's called Sudha Pav Bhaji at Masga only.
No, I haven't heard of it.
You haven't. So this last year, okay, I had the worst day ever. I was going to my classes
Ji.
for my entrance exam for my MBA, right? And I get off at Dadar station. Peak hours, okay?
Right.
I am in this huge crowd and I have been pushed off of the train at this point, right? But my
Right.
chappal is broken.
Right.
I am at Dadar station with a broken chappal in my hand and I'm like, just need to fix this, get to class, get home. That's the agenda on my mind.
Correct.
I am on the platform and there's so much of crowd, right? I cannot see the mochi. And my brain is like, चल station के आसपास तो mochi रहते ही है.
हाँ.
General knowledge.
Yeah, usually.
रहते ही है.
Hmm.
I have wandered almost 15 minutes around the other station. There's not one mochi. I am on the road. I am sobbing with a broken chappal in my hand. I call Sanjana up. I'm like, where are you?
Yeah.
He's like, no, I'm just getting off. I'm just like getting home from
And
work.
that was my first day at my job, my first
Her
job
new
ever,
job,
which
yeah.
was also like a fuck all place. So both of us are having a shitty
A
day.
bad day at
collectively.
this point.
And you
okay?
also at the same station.
No.
I'm
different.
somewhere
Phone
else.
call.
Yeah.
Nobody
this was
called
just a
me
call.
even though I was free.
I see why they didn't go. I think I have enough information.
And at this point, I am like, मैं जा रही हूँ घर, मेरे से attend नहीं होगा classes. I am in the cab and I'm still sobbing, okay, because I am so done.
Right.
And then I'm like almost eating home and I'm like, you know what? I just need to go Sudha Pav Bhaji, have that chili paneer and then go home. And then I go there, I have chili paneer. It was very mid. It still is very mid. It's not the best. I have had better for sure. But
Right.
something about that place just fixed me that day. And then
Yeah.
I went home with such a content and like a full heart. I'm like, it's okay. One chappal broke na.
Yeah.
This
One
fixed
class
me.
mixed,
So it's okay.
yeah.
Yeah.
And I have, before that also, I have very often not very often, but like, yeah, whenever I'm in the mood to eat just junk, straight up junk, I'll just go there alone and just end up going
What kind
there.
of food do they have?
Chinese mostly.
Chinese and pav bhaji.
Chinese,
Where
pav
do you guys
bhaji,
get good?
pulao.
Where do you guys get good Chinese bhel right now?
Chinese bhel.
I've heard of this.
I had socials Chinese bhel, but it was.
Why
not-
would you do
Why
that?
would you do
That's
that?
the only. When I
have to
typed on
have the-
Zomato, that's the only fucking
You have
Chinese
to have
bhel.
But
the
that you are
dirty
not
Kerala
supposed to have
Chinese
Chinese bhel delivered to your
Yeah,
house.
yeah.
That is why you're
Sorry.
sad.
Yeah, man.
Delivering like Chinese bhel to your
But
house.
you know what the thing is that every other place that looks like they have Chinese bhel, I feel like I'm too old to eat how unhygienic it would be.
So that just no.
On
You
the-
need
like,
that builds
that.
your immunity.
Do you drink?
Yeah, of course I do.
So you can go to Gokul and have.
Gokul's got good Chinese bhel.
I'm pretty
Cheap
sure,
bars,
yeah.
cheap bars.
Cheap bars.
Their
They always have
chutneys
good
are
Chinese
good, so
bhel.
I'm assuming that
It's like so red.
it would be banging.
They got the best Szechuan chutney at Gokul.
Yeah.
They do.
Yeah,
They do.
And any shady bar, as a matter of
Yeah.
fact, it's really banging.
But like honestly, even like outside stations, sometimes it's a hit or miss. But like outside stations is also a good spot to look. Like
No,
look
I'm not
for.
gonna try.
When there's a huge cow gully
I'm not gonna
situation.
try it.
You asked for it. I'm giving you a suggestion.
Yeah, I want to know. No, the thing is, I'm not going to try Gokul either. I want to know a place where someone has tried it and they know that this is the spot to go to.
I'll
In the
send you a
comment
reel.
section.
Yes.
Comment,
Let us know.
leave it in the
Yeah.
comments,
Yeah, yeah.
actually.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I
Don't
think
tell me.
people will let
Don't
us
tell
know.
me go in this area and search the 100 shops here. Tell me the
Fair.
place. I'll go to the place.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fair.
I even like now it's just nostalgic to me. But have you heard of Rahul Sandwich at Mazgaon?
Yeah.
Rahul's is everywhere now. Rahul's
Where is it?
But
Mazgaon?
earlier he used to have a stall and he used to have that clampy thing where he
I
used
love
to
that. The
toast it.
toaster.
Yeah.
And then he again food that's ruined because of a facelift. He transferred into a shop opposite of where he used to have the stall, and now he has that grill thing. So it's no longer
It's
good.
no longer as good.
It's
Oh
like,
yeah,
who
the
said
clam thingy really mix it all
Yes.
together.
Yeah. It just like brings
Yeah.
it all. Like
Yeah,
all the
yeah.
juices are there together. And then
Yeah.
you
All
have
the
it all.
koila inside it that
Yeah.
rubs in the food.
Yeah,
I know.
man. People,
Did you ever give him the sweet back?
I don't think he cares. I don't think he cares. He's got a lot of business, and I don't pick fights with everyone. Only the ones that I care for.
Okay. All right.
Your eyes will light up this time.
Yeah, kill him with kindness.
Who are you trying to kill? For what?
You're right. I shouldn't kill him, but I have a segment for you where
Yes.
you might feel like you're being put on the spot. But this is my
There's more putting on the spot?
there's a segment that we do on the show.
Yes, bata.
Where we ask our guest what their last Google search was. So now without anything,
Fabrication.
Yeah, you
without
can't
any
fabricate it.
fabrication, you have to tell me what your last Google search
What
was.
should be where's the best
it
Chinese
is-
bhel in town?
Okay, it was Amanda, please. Amanda,
Mm-hmm.
please. Do you guys know? You're probably too young. Do you guys know about the Amanda show?
I've
used to go on-
heard of it
used
from
to go
her
on
mouth
on-
only. I
It used to
think.
go on
Bruh.
Nickelodeon.
Oh,
Yeah.
And there was a Amanda Bynes who
Yeah.
yeah. So
Yeah, I
this,
know her.
This is the show.
Oh no, I don't
Yeah.
know this.
I've heard of it.
Yes. So there was so basically it was like a sketch show. She was the center, and this was when Nickelodeon had just come to India, and there was a reference that I remembered obscurely from like a visual reference that I had to send my editor.
Oh,
of
okay.
Amanda Please is was a gag website on the show.
Mm-hmm.
So
Okay.
so on that website, so I wanted that feel, so I typed Amanda Please and sent him a picture, and I said I wanted to look like this.
Got
It
it.
kind of like iCarly, you know.
I was too old for iCarly. I don't know, but Drake and
You were
Josh's
too old. Why do I know that?
Drake and Josh's younger
Yeah.
sister is iCarly, right?
I didn't watch the show, but I just know of it.
Okay.
I didn't watch
Yeah.
Nickelodeon shows. I watched a lot of Disney shows. I was a Hannah Montana kid and a Wizards of Waverly Place. Did you watch Lizzie McGuire?
I watched Hannah Montana. I watched Lizzie McGuire. I watched a bit of
Raven?
Wizards of Waverly. Oh, That's a Raven.
That's a Raven.
Oh, kaisi hai ye Raven?
You watched the Hindi dub.
I watched the Hindi dub.
Nobody believes me when I say there was a Hindi dub, but there was. And now you can't find the real Hindi dub anywhere, like on YouTube
you
or
can't
anything,
find-
like
yeah.
how they used to do it before.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You can't find the Hindi dub anymore.
You can't. I mean, I understand the English.
I think after Tata Sky you could choose between Hindi and English dub.
Okay.
Yeah. Before that,
There was like certain time slots when the Hindi one would come on and like the English
No,
one
no,
would
you
come
could
on.
change the whole thing.
Oh.
The audio of it.
At
Acha.
night, like after 1 o'clock, they used to have like Hannah Montana reruns because
In English.
in English, yeah. But
For
then,
the American kids.
Yeah, like who's gonna watch it in India at like 1 a.m., bro?
but
For the jet lagged kids.
but then they stopped that, and then they started playing Naptol.
Nah, ab to.
Hey,
Bro, one
Yeah.
minute.
1 minute.
The only thing that I used to watch at 12 a.m. was those, you know, those black sofas that the inflatable.
Oh, that's that was too
Bro, I
much.
used to love that. I used to love watching
Yeah,
that.
yeah.
To the point where I actually told my mom, was like, can we get this? Like, this looks damn fun.
We were so at 4 years old, we were sold, bro.
Yeah.
This looks
I'm
like
sad. I'm like, okay, wow, this is
show me more.
show me more
Did you
other
guys
colors.
watch, Did you guys watch App Pro King?
What?
App Pro King was like it's just a thing that crunches for you, so you can continue watching TV. And it's just, I'm sure a lot of people got spondylitis because of that. But I was like 15, and I was like, Mom, I can get abs. Why don't you want this for me? Mom, I just want abs.
It's so simple.
It crunches for you. That means you're working out also lazy.
No, yeah. So the whole thing is that आपको कुछ नहीं दोस्तों आपको कुछ नहीं करना पड़ेगा बस टीवी देख लो और ऐप प्रो चला दो. It's like a rocking chair.
Wow. I haven't heard about this. That's insane.
I like even that one, the chopper one, obviously.
Oh, yeah.
Definitely.
And
Chopper
even
was cool.
yeah, the kit that would remove dents and scratches from your car.
Oh, it just put it and then
Yeah. Suck it up.
The vacuum thingy.
Vacuum
Yeah.
thing, and then that pen that would fix the scratches on the car.
I've also seen, you know, those.
Roti
there's-
maker.
Of course.
Roti maker.
I saw that on Tarak Mehta. I don't know where you saw that, bro. Stop.
No, Naptol did it first.
Yeah.
Oh,
Absolutely.
sure.
I was like, you need to get this, mama. Fatak.
Bro,
Yeah.
Rotis are made.
we were
Yeah.
conditioned from a very young age.
yeah. I feel like they had targeted ads before we knew they had targeted ads too. 'Cause
They were way ahead.
I didn't get this chopper and roti maker as much as you did.
Oh my god. Bro, I know the roti maker comes with a dough maker, and you just have to put atta and water
And then
in it.
Yeah.
churn it.
Yeah.
Then churn it, and then the roti maker makes the roti for you. Just
I'm sure there must be something like that now.
There is.
There's a
Yeah,
khakra
yeah.
maker also, no?
But
isn't
isn't
it the same thing?
Isn't it concerning that I remember everything about this?
It's not.
It's-
You
yeah,
have
it's
really
not.
good memory.
Yeah.
I'm on this side now. Sorry.
Yeah.
Very convenient. You
You convenienced yourself.
She's been waiting to leave your side for years now.
Haven't you been seeing that I'm like distancing
Take the
myself
hit.
from your identity?
My God, Sanjana. And here I was thinking I'll cook for you tomorrow.
Sure.
Oh God.
Don't cook me the meatballs and spaghetti. That's all.
Cheese balls. Cheese balls and spaghetti.
It's not.
It's
meat.
insignificant.
It's not even
It's
meat.
insignificant.
Oh,
And
sorry.
maybe-
Yeah.
you know
Cheese
what?
balls. Yeah.
You know
Oh.
what? Maybe I didn't like it because I'm a non-vegetarian.
Maybe that's what it was. Yeah.
Yeah.
Maybe.
So you think
Could
I
be.
like it?
Are you vegetarian?
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe you like it. I don't know.
I don't
She
trust
she
you, though.
like anything. She genuinely believes.
She has
anything.
very little options.
Today, before filming, there's this Stanisala niche, building ki niche, and I was like, I'll go have a sandwich because I was like extremely hungry. And then I'm like, भैया एक Jane grill parcel कर दो. He's like, madam मेरा चटनी दोनों mix होगा तो मैं आपको parcel नहीं दे पाऊंगा अभी.
Oh.
Yeah,
So I had to literally have like
Mid
stupid tutti frutti cake and pista and kaju,
tutti frutti or tutti frutti.
Tutti Frutti.
whatever.
Do you know that Tutti Frutti is caramelized onion?
No, it's
Sack
also
for
from
20.
papayas.
You're lying.
Yes.
It's
Papayas
onion.
से भी
onion.
बनता है. No. Papayas.
Tutti Frutti is onions.
I don't think.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure about it.
Because I know it's.
No, I'm messing with you. I swear.
I know you're messing with me.
I know.
And here I bought it.
What are the ingredients right now?
I fell for
No,
something
no.
Ronak said for the second time. That video that you did, tell them it's a prank, bro.
No, it's not a prank. I just like that. I tell you what, when they asked me to do the interview, they were like, tell us a place you go to, and I was like, there's nothing I like better than sitting at home with my wife and my dogs.
But you can't say
Doors locked, TV sound loud.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm not the restaurant guy, and plus I'm vegetarian. It's not like I know some like there are these like fancy ass places now. I know there's like 10 things I eat.
Yeah.
that. Yeah.
Yeah. So I was like, okay, you know what? I'll take you all to this place I used to like going to as a kid, and specifically to me, that's a good place.
Yeah.
It is a good restaurant, yes.
Oh, Samrat makes banging Gujarati food. Also.
Amazing.
The thali
that would
was
be,
good.
Yeah, but it would be too basic for me to say, come to the Gujarati place.
Yeah.
And
Have a
eat.
thali. Exactly. Fair.
So I said, this is the other thing I eat.
Hmm.
Yeah.
That'd
nice.
be cool.
That's-
What's the most useless,
Useless
thing in your bag?
Bag or
What's the
pocket,
most-
whatever's convenient.
Or your pocket?
I don't have anything useless in my pocket. Let's see. I got my keys.
That's useless. We don't need a car.
I got my.
Now that he has LASIK, so he can try.
Yeah, I just have phone, wallet, keys. I have phone,
Wow.
wallet, keys, kerchief.
Yeah.
What kind of
He's a no nonsense man.
what?
Yeah,
Why do you have
kerchief. Even I
kerchief?
get
Yeah,
one
every
kerchief.
man has it on the left or the right pocket.
Yeah, you gotta
Really?
have a kerchief.
Yeah. Of course.
Yeah.
How
Even
cute.
she does.
You want me
You
to
have a
show you?
kerchief? Yeah, you gotta have a kerchief.
No, you gotta
Yesterday,
have a kerchief here though, where it's pinned.
what, you think I'm Nehruji? What's
No,
going
no,
on?
no, no, no. I think. Oh my God, no.
Oh, like a pin, like a child.
Yes.
I thought make it like
No.
make it presentable.
That's a pocket square.
Pocket square.
That's a kerchief.
Wow.
If I had that, I would use it as a kerchief.
Yeah, so I
What's
like,
I'm the yeah. I would.
Nehruji had a rose, broski.
He had a rose, yeah, but I'm sure he had
sure he
pockets.
used it
Yeah,
as a-
yeah.
He used the rose petals. He's like, he loves me not.
Yes. It's undivided India, Pakistan.
I have to cut that out. I think.
Maitri? Yes.
She'll take a call, bro.
She'll take a call.
She's a real one. Maitri is a real one, you know.
Maitri is a G. Before we
always-
go,
yeah.
we always give them like an emoji to comment so that we know they've stayed till the end. Do you have, a specific
favorite
emoji
one?
that you like?
Oh, the best one.
Love it.
Yeah,
It's
a
love
bunch
it.
of muddle
Yes.
fingers.
Muddle fingers.
I muddle my cocktails with this.
A bunch of middle fingers if you stuck till the end.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So-
that's how I end all my shows. If I have to take a selfie with the audience, I tell them.
Oh,
I tell them I'm going to take a selfie with you, but all of y'all have to just fucking.
Wow, I've never
Flip it
noticed
up.
that. I've always like
Yeah.
noticed the people who are like in
Yeah.
this,
Yeah.
like the
Yeah,
front.
but I always see the picture.
Oh.
And people are always flipping you off, even if it's a solo show.
Wow, that is so
I always because I think there's a certain amount of narcissism to being like, क्या तुम्हें show पसंद आया चंडीगढ़?
Yeah.
And then
That's
like,
like, that is cringe.
It's like, shut
That's
up.
That is so
Just
cringe.
shut up, dude.
That is so cringe. That
Stop
would never-
begging people to give you an
like,
applause.
stop.
Yeah.
Enough.
Yeah, yeah.
Speaking of begging, you should beg them to follow your socials.
No, as I said, please don't.
Beg them
No.
to follow our socials. then.
Please follow their socials. You're already here, so you. Yeah.
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 So
But-
while you're on YouTube,
yeah.
you comment a
Yes.
bunch of middle fingers for Ronak and send this video to everyone who likes comedy, everyone who likes Ronak, relationship, and the other stuff. And while you're on YouTube, like this video, subscribe to the channel, leave nice comments, and subscribe.
Yeah. And if you're watching us on Instagram, don't forget to follow us at We Are Besharam and like all our videos. Share it with everyone you know. Make friends. Stay happy.
And if you listen to us on Spotify, don't forget to give us a good rating. It's just 5 stars.
5 stars.
Five
That's
stars.
all we need.
And
That's all you
until
gotta
next
do.
time, stay
Stay Besharam.
Stay Bisham.
Mwah.